Today, I'm going to talk to you about the difference between a condo versus a townhouse in the Bay Area. I'll show you a condo and a townhouse in the same neighborhood so you can get a feel of the different lifestyles you're going to get. And also, how much you can expect to pay on a month-to-month basis, and then I'll talk about the pros and cons of both. So when beginning your home buying search, the first thing you're going to consider is what type of class of housing do I want? Is it a condo, townhouse, or single family home? Now, most people when they think of a house, they think of a single family house. That's your typical house with a driveway, your own garage, and your own backyard. And yes, single family homes are great, but at this price point, they're not going to be accessible to many people, especially here in the Bay Area. But your home ownership dreams doesn't have to end. In fact, especially here in the Bay Area, it's very common for people to begin their home buying journey with a condo or a townhouse, and then ride that appreciation, and in a few years, trade up with a 1031 exchange to eventually purchase a single family home versus just renting every year. Now in this video, I'm going to show you a condo and a townhouse in the same neighborhood, so you can see the different lifestyles that you can get.
Okay, so first I'm going to show you this condo on the second floor in the Blossom Valley neighborhood. It's a 2-bed, 1-bath, 919 square feet, and it's built in 1984. So as you enter, you'll immediately notice the open, inviting feel of the space. Notice the durable hardwood floors that extend throughout the main living areas, giving the space a modern, cohesive look. There's also a thoughtful layout that maximizes the use of every square foot. Then to the right, you'll have a dining room, and then which connects to the updated U-shaped kitchen with a granite countertop, quality wood custom cabinetry, a glass style backsplash, and brand new appliances. As we move down the hallway, you'll notice how the space is well designed for both function and convenience. This hallway leads to the bedrooms and bathrooms, and also houses an important feature, your very own in-unit laundry. As we continue, we'll move into the bathroom. It features modern fixtures, updated countertops lined with beautiful wooden cabinets. Now let's head into the master bedroom. This room is generously sized, easily fitting a king-size bed with plenty of room to spare for dressers, nightstands, or even a reading chair. And like the rest of the condo, it benefits from the natural light thanks to large windows. Now moving to the right, you'll enter the second bedroom. You'll notice it's slightly smaller, but still offers a lot of potential. It would make a great guest room, home office, or even nursery depending on your needs. There's a good-sized closet for storage, and the room is bright and airy. This room could easily transition to a suitable variety of needs. If you work from home, this could be an ideal office space, or if you need an extra bedroom, this could easily accommodate a queen bed. So if you were to pay $699,000 for this condo and put a 20% down payment at $140,000 with a 6.9% interest today, and with a $440 monthly HOA fee, your monthly mortgage payment would be about $4,567.86. Okay, now I'm going to show you a townhouse that's listed at a similar price range down the Communication Hills neighborhood of San Jose. It's a 1-bed, 2-bath townhouse at 975 square feet and is listed at $599,000. This building was built in 1997, so it's relatively new for most housing here in the Bay Area. As you enter the house, you'll enter the foyer, which connects you to a tandem garage where you'll be able to fit 2 cars. Also, the laundry and dryer are also down here. Then you can go up to the second floor, and I love how the house is lined with a bright neutral carpet. It really gives the townhouse a sense of warmth and coziness. The second floor of this condo is a large living room with plenty of space for a cozy sofa, coffee table, and entertainment center. The clean modern finishes and neutral tones throughout make it easy to envision how you might arrange the space. And with this open layout, this area could easily become a multifunctional space, perfect for relaxing, entertaining, or even setting up a small home office. Now let's move into the kitchen, which is just off the living area. You'll notice sleek quartz countertops, new appliances, and classic wooden cabinetry. And whether you're cooking a quick meal or preparing something more elaborate, the kitchen is both stylish and functional. As you continue throughout the main floor, you'll see a convenient guest bathroom, which is perfect for visitors and when you're hosting. Now, many of the townhomes in this community also feature private outdoor spaces, and this one is no exception. So whether it's a small patio or balcony, this is a great area to enjoy the fresh air and relax. Next, we'll go up another set of stairs, and here we are in the master bedroom. It's a generous size with plenty of room for a king or queen bed, nightstands, and additional furniture if needed. Again, the large windows allow a lot of natural light, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere. This master suite is designed for comfort, offering a peaceful retreat after a busy day. And with the spacious layout, there's room to create a personal oasis. The closet is also well sized, with ample space for your wardrobe. Attached to the master bedroom, you'll find the second full bathroom, featuring a shower with a tub combo. The fixtures are well maintained and provide a classic, timeless design. The tub is perfect for a relaxing soak, and the shower is ideal for a quick rinse after a busy day. So if you were to pay $599,000 for this townhouse and put a 20% down payment at $120,000, with today's 6.9% interest and with a $375 monthly HOA fee, your monthly mortgage payment would be about $3,981.70.
So the 3 things you want to consider when deciding between a condo and a townhouse is the price, investment, and also the type of lifestyle you're getting. But when it comes to price, the entry level to get into the condo market is a lot easier compared to a townhouse. At this past year, the cheapest condo in Santa Clara County was about $300,000. In comparison, the cheapest townhouse in Santa Clara County was starting at $560,000. So then, all things being equal from a condition, location, and size perspective, the condo will generally be cheaper than a townhouse. Okay, so now let's talk about investment. In Santa Clara County, for condos, the median sales price of a condo in 2020 was $700,000. And now using the data from 2024, the median sales price of a condo is now $780,000. So over 5 years, it's about a 2.2% increase every year for condos. Now in comparison, for a townhouse, the median sales price of a townhouse in 2020 was about $975,000. And in 2024, the median sales price of a townhome is almost $1.3 million. So that's about a 5.77% increase every year. But buying a house isn't just like choosing a stock. This is a place where you want to live in, so it's also important to factor in the lifestyle differences. So let's first talk about the pros of condos. So in terms of location, generally condos are going to be in the high density areas with a lot of amenities nearby. So if you're a person who doesn't want to do a lot of driving, say you want to go out for a walk or get groceries or run errands at a shopping center, a condo is definitely going to be something you're definitely going to prefer. Here in the Bay Area, if you want to live near the urban core and be near all things going on, say like downtown San Francisco or downtown San Jose, a condo is definitely suited more for that type of lifestyle versus a townhome. Condos will also generally have more amenities compared to townhouses because a lot of condos have pools, gyms, rooftop lounges, concierge services, and community spaces. Condos in general also have less upkeep, as the HOA typically handles the exterior maintenance, landscape, and common area upkeep, leaving you more time for other activities. So yes, that's probably why the reason generally condo HOAs are higher compared to a townhouse, but if you think about it, there's got to be some maintenance required for a house, so the difference isn't as drastic as you would think. Also, condos are going to be smaller in general, so your basic cleaning, utility bill should also be cheaper than a townhouse. One con of a condo though is you will have less privacy, since you just only occupy the one unit, so you could have neighbors on top or below you. And also often the parking will be in a communal area versus having your own garage. Okay, so now let's talk more about townhouses. So for townhouses, you will get a little more privacy because you're not going to be on top of each other like you would be in a condo. Also with townhouses, you're going to have your own private entrance, your own garage, so it's going to feel more like a single family home, unlike some condos where you're going to have like shared hallways. Also from a location standpoint, townhouses are generally going to be in less populated, dense areas. So if you like staying away from the hustle and bustle of a high density area, if that's something you want, a townhouse would definitely be a better fit. One con of a townhouse is that there are going to be a lot of staircases, since most developers like to build up to fit in more townhouses in a certain lot. So overall, there's no right answer which is better, because there's truly pros and cons of both condos and townhouses. And if it's strictly like an investment, like more first-time homebuyers are looking for, then yes, I would suggest looking at the data from a macro scale, and yes, townhouses are generally going to appreciate higher. But there are definitely some lifestyle benefits you can get in a condo that you won't find in a townhouse. So if you're on the fence for what's best for your situation, feel free to contact me, and me and my team will be happy to work with you and figure out what's best for you. Also, if you're looking to learn more about living in the Bay Area, make sure to subscribe and check out more videos on my channel. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.